As Sarabatlan District Municipality, Kokama Municipality, and especially as the Executive Mayor, I'm humbled to welcome you all to this beautiful site of us.
It has been our conviction that to turn the province into a desirable international destination, it must first secure its place as a preferred domestic destination. To this end, we've done two things right. The first one is that we vigorously promoted the participation from local products.
We want to unveil a first-of-its-kind initiative for South Africans during the tourism month called the Sho't Left Travel Week. So during the week of September from the 24th to the 30th, South Africans will have a wonderful opportunity to cash in on great travel discounts.
Tourism, my dear friends, tourism is about people and places. Beautiful places with beautiful people that make for unforgettable experiences. That's what tourism is about. It's breaking through the unnecessary barriers, the unnecessary prejudices that we have. Tourism helps break through that.